Marble polishing new Malden by Tile Cleaning Surrey. Do you have dull, scratched, or stained marble floors or countertops in your home or office? Are you tired of spending hours trying to clean and polish them, only to end up with unsatisfactory results? Do you wish you could restore the natural beauty and shine of your marble surfaces without breaking the bank? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need our marble polishing service. We deliver a professional and affordable service that specializes in restoring and rejuvenating all types of marble surfaces. Whether you have marble floors, walls, stairs, or vanity tops, we can make them look new again with our expert team and advanced techniques. You can enjoy the following benefits: a free, no-obligation quote and consultation, a fast, efficient, and hassle-free service, a 100% satisfaction guarantee, a long-lasting and durable finish, a competitive and transparent pricing, a friendly and courteous customer service. Don't let your marble surfaces lose their charm and value. Contact us today and get ready to be amazed by the difference we can make. Visit our website at tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk or call us at 07798 608 640 to book your appointment. The best choice for your marble restoration needs.